Hey guys, what's happening? How to recover deleted contact on iPhone. To recover deleted iPhone contacts, the most effective method is or are restoring from iCloud.com data recovery. So type in your browser the iCloud.com data recovery. You're gonna go ahead to the first search result. You're gonna of course log in using your Apple ID credentials, and you can restore files, bookmarks, and of course we want to restore contacts. So all you gotta do is just restore contacts, right? And you can restore the April 13th contact. You could just go ahead and hit restore, and basically that's it. You can also use a previous iTunes or Finder backup, right? Or just sign in with your Apple ID and you can recover if you already backed it up on the cloud. Or you can sync other accounts like Gmail to recover, of course, your contacts there, right? So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.